ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good morning one and all. Environment is like everything around us, and we survive with air, soil, water, plants, animals, including aquatics, which creates environment in this planet with a beautiful ecosystem. In the recent years, directly or indirectly, we are harming the eco balance and in turn impairing the biodiversity of the environment by increasing the emission of noxious pollutants to air, water, and due to this there is extinction of some species of animals, soil erosion, landslides, and deforestation. Now there is a significant alarm for the ecosystem restoration. This is a rallying cry to healing our planet because of rapid industrialization without safeguarding the environment and ecosystem. There is significant global warming and climate change, and in turn we are witnessing untoward variations in the weather seasons like floods, extreme weather temperature, glaciers, landslides, and also we are damaging of ozone layer just for the satisfaction of our excess greed, and it is influencing for catching forest fires and also nowadays extreme exploitation of underground resources leading to the inevitable calamities. Since global warming and different pollutant levels are keep rising exponentially, all of us may suffer with different types of crises and environmental disasters. Hence, we do not say tomorrow. From today itself, we need to initiate every efforts to save our environment by adopting measures in reduction of plastic usage, carbon cutting ambitions, adopting recycling like solar energy and renewable energy, reducing emission through industries and vehicles like fluorocarbons and hydrofluorocarbons and halogens, because it causes damage to ozone layer and we may suffer with extreme cancerous condition in the future days. During this pandemic COVID-19, each and everyone has realized the value of oxygen for saving millions of lives just for their breath and survival. But indirectly, corona pandemic brought inevitable lockdown, and there is significant reduction in carbon emission and balance of ecosystem is restored, but the medical and hospital waste disposal like disinfectants, masks, gloves, PP kits, and untreated hospital waste is increased many folds. Again, it may create hazards to mankind. The theme for this 2021 is ecosystem restoration, reimaging, recreate, and restore. Hence, we nurses being frontline healthcare workers, we play an important role in hospital waste management to uphold and safeguard our environment. Also, we being nurse educators, we need to bring awareness among public to join our hands and support in restoration, reimagine, as well as the recreating a positive, healthy environmental ecosystem with good biodiversity. So, plant trees for better tomorrow.
Namaste. I thank the organization, management, faculty, principal, and students of RV Nursing College a happy and safe World Environment Day 2021. This year's theme is ecosystem restoration, and this focus on resetting our relationship with nature. All the plants, animals, and people living in an area considered together with their environment as a system of relationship is known as ecosystem restoration. This Environment Day will also mark the formal launch of the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration 2021-2030. The UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration aims to prevent, halt, reverse the degradation of ecosystems on every continent and in every ocean. It will help to end the poverty, combat climate change, and prevent mass extinction. UN Decade runs from 21 to 30, which is also the deadline for the Sustainable Development Goals as per Paris Accord. What we have to do? We have to follow small things like small conservation measures to have a beautiful, wonderful, sustainable development. What are the conservation measures we have to adopt? We have to adopt 3R principles like reduce, reuse, recycle our raw material judiciously, provide primary treatment facilities for the sewage or industrial effluents generated, adopt the zero liquid concept, and do not discharge any wastewater outside the stormwater drain, stream, rivers, lakes, underground, either untreated, treated, partially treated, and we should not cause air pollution, keep our vehicles in good condition, operate air pollution control equipment regularly, scientifically, use electrical vehicles, vehicle pooling, and reduce consumption of fossil fuels. With this, Mother Earth is the gift. It is not a gift, it is the rented premises for us from the next generation. With this, I thank again and wish you a safe and happy World Environment Day 2021. Thank you.
A warm greetings to one and all. I take opportunity to thank the Community Health Department, RV College of Nursing, Bangalore, taking a wonderful initiation to organize or celebrating World Environmental Day. So World Environmental Day is celebrated on June 5th of every year to remind people about the importance of nature. This year, the theme of World Environmental Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. The concept of ecosystem restoration is to reimagine, recreate, to restore the nature. It is a duty of every individual to restore nature, and also it is the responsibility of individual to plant trees and also to make a free pollution like water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution. So we all join together to make a green India. So with that small theme, I just conclude myself. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
I do my bit in restoring the ecosystem. I minimize the usage of plastic at home, I segregate waste, and I ensure that the seeds of the fruits like mango, jamun, jackfruits are not thrown in the dustbin. It is thrown on a barren land and we never know when it germinates and when it will adapt to the green belt of our city. Let us make this planet a beautiful place to stay, not only for us, for the generation as well.
This is my small contribution for a green environment. Go green.
World Environment Day, which is celebrated on 6th of June every year. So I wish everybody a happy Environment Day. The theme for the year 2021 is ecosystem restoration, which means preventing, halting and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to heal it.
Our environment is in our hands and it is our treasure which we have to help saving it.